After the success of Android smartphones, here comes a Huawei with an all-new Windows smartphone, which comes with the Windows Phone 08. So this is the Ascend W1 range of smartphone, which comes with the Windows 8 OS, which is also called as Portico. To start with, this phone comes with a dual-core 1.2 GHz of processing power and a 4-inch WVGA screen, which is an AMOLED and a no air gap technology based screen. To start off with the applications which are preloaded in this comes with the Microsoft Office, which means that you need not go and purchase the Office suite. That is, it includes Word, PowerPoint and Excel. Apart from that, this is integrated with the SkyDrive and the Office 365, which means that all the documents can be edited easily, not only just on your phone but also on the online. Apart from that, this comes with the standard applications, that is camera, maps, messaging, OneNote, People app, which basically integrates all of the social networking platforms, social networking tools right on a single integrated app. Apart from that, this also got the wallet, since this phone is supported with the NFC technology and comes with the NFC file transfer protocol. The wallet option can be integrated with this. So apart from that, the only disadvantage of this phone is this phone comes with a 512 MB of RAM, unlike the Android smartphones, which come with the 2 GB of RAM and also the 1 GB of RAM in the normal smartphones. If we talk of battery, then this comes with a battery of 1950 mAh, which is good enough. Another issue which we came across with this smartphone is the brightness. Despite setting this device with the fullest of the brightness levels, this device is not up to the mark when compared to its own Android line of smartphones. Let's check out the camera clarity and how exactly this fares up. So we have turned on the camera, and we are very sorry to say that the image quality is pixelating even on the basic photograph where we haven't even zoomed it. So as you can see that there's an image, and the image is getting blur, which probably can be fixed in the coming OS. Despite coming with a 5 megapixel of camera, this is not enough. Apart from that, this also comes with the standard Kids Corner application and all the basic features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and etc. So coming to the hardware part, this phone comes with a lock and unlock feature on the right hand side, which also acts as a camera when long pressed. Apart from that, on the top, this phone houses a 3.5mm of audio jack and a lock button, which is similar to that of the one which is there on the right hand side. And then coming to the left, this has got the volume rocker keys, and then at the bottom this has got the USB port for charging, and also you can use it for the data transfer. And at the back, this phone has got a 5 megapixel of camera with a flash of CMOS sensor along with a mic. So that's it with this Ascend WN smartphone. Stay tuned to Advices Media for more updates.